Hello, hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel, A Better Dividend Mousetrap. This channel is specifically going to be about my experimental 3.4K, 3K portfolio, where I'm going to try to squeeze out some very high yields, but also protect myself with some hedging. And so as you can see, I have put to use most of my portfolio cash, but I do have about $1,000 that I still need to spend, plus my margin. My approach is that the additional cash that I have, I'm going to buy high yielding stocks that yield between 8 to 12%, hopefully to average out about 10%. I'm hoping that they're going to be very low beta in the sense that they're not highly correlated to the stock market in general, the S&P 500, so that if the market does correct, my portfolio doesn't get screwed. Um, and then I'm going to spend 50% of my portfolio, I'll use 50% margin. And with these margin investments, I'm going to buy higher yielding, higher risk type stocks, mainly covered call funds such as MSTY, PLTY. So as you can see, 10% on the 3,300 is about $335 a year, but 50% on the 1675 is about 838. So I'm going to get close to about $1,200 in a year. And so I have to back up the cost of borrowing, my margin cost, 10%, and also my hedge cost. I plan to probably end up getting VIX calls to protect my portfolio. I have seen other people get blown up by using margin. And I've also put with margin on a different experimental account. And, it hurts if the market moves against you. So I plan to buy some protection, which will eat into my profits, but I think will make my portfolio much more stable and safe. It's safe, famous last words. And so the net dividend income is going to be close to about $900 a year. So it's about 75 bucks a year, a month or so. But I think it's going to be a lot more than that. It'll be probably closer to $100. So my yield is going to be anywhere probably north of 25% on my cash, which is pretty good considering that I have some protection built in. I'm going to use something called trackyourdividends.com. It's free and it allows you to have to put in as many uh, shares or companies as you want. Some of these free portfolio type deals limit you on how many tickers you can put in. And what's cool though is it'll give you kind of projections by month, how much money you're going to make. Um, it's projecting about $65, $70 a month. Keep in mind, I still have to invest $1,000 of cash and then also the margin amount. So I still have a little bit ways to go. So I'm hoping to push this closer to $100, $125 a month. What's also cool is it lists like where you're going to get your payouts and if the dividend amount's been confirmed and so on. So that's kind of cool. It's very nice. I'm going to try to focus this channel exclusively on this portfolio, so I'm not going to go off on too many tangents. I'm not going to do a bunch of trades and stuff that I do on my other channel with options. This is really just for my passive income, high yield portfolio experiment. And so I'll also go through and discuss why I picked some of these stocks, um, you know, do a walkthrough, so on and so forth, and I'll give monthly updates. So that's about it. I didn't want to make this video too long, but I want to introduce you to this idea, this concept. Please do me a favor, drop a like and subscribe, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Once again, this is not financial advice. Sorry, I forgot to add this. This is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes only. In this case, it's not various topics. It's just about my portfolio that I'm trying to build. Uh, anyway, I hope you understand and you put the disclaimer in because there's always somebody who's going to blame you. Anyway, have a great one. Bye.